So now on our first layer, we've got bits of copper leaf, which are going to go blue, and we've got bits of crushed glass here, which will stay blue. There's also a pot of white glass here, which you might decide to put down in the background as well. It can create like a kind of a wave effect when it all melts together. I've put some glue here, so I'm just going to kind of scatter it, a bit like when you're making Christmas cards. Just scatter it down, it will all stick there. And it will just kind of make everything look a bit more interesting when it's fired. And just all the while kind of keeping in mind that it's going to be flat when you put your second layer on top. The next thing would be to use your copper wire. When it fires, it goes kind of rusty red looking. And I do this to kind of create a bit of a kind of a sea effect in the background, or some seabirds. But you could also twist your wire and use it as a way to personalize a piece of glass. So you might want to twist it into an initial or something, I don't know, like a C or something like that, or any kind of letter that you could always kind of leave in the corner to make it as a gift for someone. I tend to twist it into like seabird shapes. You might want to use some tweezers or something that you've got at home to kind of make it more precise. So, I don't know, try and make the little shape look like it's got wings or something like that. And then you might want to twist it into like a curve like this, because when you sandwich it between your layers of glass, like if you put it down here, when it fires in between the layers, you do end up with some lovely bubbles and things, so it does look quite seasidey or quite wave-like. So you know, hopefully you've got enough in your pack for at least kind of 2 pieces like that. And then when it fires, as you can see, there is quite a lot of movement around there. So that is what I would consider to be your kind of your background. You might want to spend a lot longer on it. You might want to create a lot more kind of a detail in the background here by using more of this glass. You could also use some of your silver flakes. Again, making sure you've applied some glue, which will dry clear, but you might just want to make it sparkle. Put some in the sea maybe. And this is, it will stay this colour when it's fired. The only thing so far that will change colour will be your copper leaf, which will go blue, and your copper wire, which will go kind of reddy brown. Okay, so